So I have the two probes currently turned off. They're plugged in. The screen is showing 10x attenuation, and I have both channels zeroed. This is the noise floor, 1 millisecond per division. I'm going to turn on both. Currently the load is not connected. You can see the fluke scope and the fluke multimeter. The plug is not plugged in. I'm going to turn on both probes simultaneously. Watch the screen. Okay, now go back to the probes. I'm going to zero both probes. Watch the screen. Okay. Now this is both probes zeroed. I'm going to turn off channel 2 for a second. You can see channel 1 is, let me see, where's the measure tool? Here we go. Channel 1 has a period of about 500 hertz. And it's showing about, I would say, 40 milliamp peaks, plus or minus, so that's 80 milliamps of 500 hertz noise. And we're going to turn on channel 2 again. They're both zeroed, but I'm going to zero channel 2. Goes up a little bit. I'm going to zero channel 1. Okay. They both have 500 hertz noise, but channel 2, if I can try to stop it, there we go. Channel 2, you can see the slope goes this way, and channel 1, the slope goes the other way. I'm not sure why they're reversed, but that's something I noticed. I'm going to run the scope again and clear my cursor. Now I'm going to plug in the load. Wait, first actually I'm going to set the range, because this is not going to be enough range to see anything. I'm going to set it to 20 milliamps per division. Actually, that might be too tight. I'll try 50 milliamps per division. Okay, now I'm going to plug in the load. $82 milliamps of load according to my fluke, and back to the computer screen. Let me measure. That's not quite doing my measuring tool. Let's try this one. Where's the right measuring tool? Let me stop it. Okay. Now let me see here. Channel 1, 16. So at peaks, it's showing 120 milliamps for channel 2 and 105 milliamps for channel 1. That's a pretty big discrepancy for a tool that should be able to discern 10 milliamp changes. My fluke still shows 82 milliamps. The load is still steady, and let me turn on the scope again. Yeah. So it's not going to be easy to get a good reading out of either of these probes.